I moved to London on 34k, some dreams and dragging some debt. Here's what I did. During the tough times in London, I had no choice but to find extra cash. I was in a recruitment job. Commission that was promised never came. Watched a promotion go to someone else while I was still waiting on it. Rent alone was costing me around 220 quid a week for one room. Call it £1,000 a month once everything was in. On top of that, 180 a month just servicing debt I'd brought with me. That's 13.5 grand a year gone before I'd bought a single bit of food, got on a single train, or gone out once. So no, I didn't have a plan. I had a hole to fill. I didn't start a side hustle because I had some grand vision. I started it to kill time and buy myself some breathing room. That's it. That's the whole ambition at the start. But here's the bit nobody tells you. The side hustle is what actually stabilized me. Not the big break. Not some overseas opportunity landing in my lap. The side hustle came first. The stability came from that. And it was that stability that eventually made the bigger opportunity possible. Not the other way round. So, what was it? I turned to a platform most people in the West have never even heard of, Xiaohongshu, also known as Red Note. And I started offering relocation advice to Chinese students, to international workers, to anyone trying to figure out how to actually move to the UK. Not because I had some big plan, just because I realized I already knew the answers to questions people were desperate to ask. And here's what I really want you to take from this bit. The tools available to us right now meant I didn't have to spend hours researching an area to live in, a school, a career path, or typical interview questions for someone moving here. I could do it in 5 minutes with AI. That used to be hours of digging. Now it's minutes. That means the thing holding most people back, not knowing where to start, is gone. And it wasn't just me. My mate Rob tried Amazon delivery first. Pay was rubbish, so he pivoted, started a man with a van removals gig, used social media to advertise and to talk in real time with people who needed to move. No fancy setup, just a phone and consistency. Turned out to be a very good break for him, in London of all places. And Lucy, she used a handful of different platforms to sell little treasures she picked up thrifting on weekends. Same idea. Different tool, different hustle, 3 different tools, same underlying instinct. Notice a gap and fill it. That instinct is the same reason I started this channel. Noticing a gap and filling it isn't a special skill reserved for people with degrees or the right background. Anyone can do this. I moved to London on 34k. I didn't need a grand plan. Just a gap to notice and the willingness to fill it. Comment below, what's your side hustle? What made it easier?